With Dermatude Metatherapy, you can turn back the biological clock. By stimulating the collagen and elastin in the skin, Dermatude Metatherapy improves the overall skin condition from within. Your skin does the work itself.
I noticed that my skin has become really firm, and I think it's much more even.
Once I finished 3 or 4 treatments, I really thought, wow. Definitely noticed a difference in my skin. It's much firmer, fuller, and it feels softer.
I've had 8 treatments in total, and I've seen results from the first treatment. And it only got better. It's clearly visible around my eyes and around my mouth, too.
I have had 8 treatments, and after the 4th treatment, I got the impression that the results were lasting, that the fine lines around my eyes were really filled.
I have very dry skin with really dry spots after winter. They were all gone after the 3rd treatment.
You look very refreshed after the treatment. Maybe a little red, but actually you can do anything after you're done with the treatment. You can even go out to dinner.
After the treatment, it took about an hour for the redness that was there to disappear totally.
It takes some time. You must undergo a number of treatments, but it is really worth your time. I really think my looks have improved. I'm very positive.
I've had a lot of compliments from friends. They all noticed immediately. Yes, I'm very happy.
Without question, I'd recommend Dermatude Metatherapy.
You have a nice glow after the treatment. My husband said that my skin looks better. Well, if he says so.
Book your Metatherapy treatment today. Dermatude, the facelift alternative.